In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank or credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Reconciliation is the process of comparing what's in QuickBooks with what appears on your bank or card statement, and it's one of the best ways to ensure your records are accurate and complete. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, head to the accounting menu and choose Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation dashboard, where you'll begin the matching process. Next, select the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile. Make sure you're working with the same account and statement period you have in hand. From your statement, enter the statement ending date and the ending balance exactly as they appear. Small typos here can cause big headaches later, so double check the numbers before you move on. You'll now see a list of transactions in QuickBooks for that period. Compare each transaction to your bank or credit card statement and mark the ones that match. Focus on matching the date and the amount rather than the description. It's helpful to sort by date or use the search and filter options if you're looking for a specific charge or deposit. As you check off matches, watch the difference amount at the top of the screen. Your goal is to bring that number to zero. If something doesn't match, pause and investigate. If a transaction appears on your statement but not in QuickBooks, add it so your books reflect reality. Common examples include bank fees, interest, or a transaction entered after the original posting date. If the amount is off due to a typo, open the transaction in QuickBooks and edit it to match the statement. If you find duplicates, remove or uncheck the extra one so it doesn't throw off the total. Take your time here. Accurate matching now prevents problems later. When every transaction that appears on your statement has been properly matched and your difference is zero, you're ready to finish. Click to complete the reconciliation, then save the reconciliation report. Keep a copy with the corresponding bank or card statement for your records so you can quickly reference what was cleared in that period. If the difference isn't zero, don't force it to finish. Recheck the ending balance and date you entered, confirm the opening balance looks correct, and review any unmatched or edited transactions until it balances. With these steps, you'll keep your books clean, accurate, and ready for confident reporting.